A very warm welcome to today's class of chemistry. I am faculty of science at Lotus Petal Foundation, Gurugram. Today we will be talking about what atomic structure is. So atomic structure means what does the atom consist of? An atom consists of three particles: proton, neutron and electron. Proton have positive charge, neutron have no charge and electron have negative charge. We can explain the atomic structure with an example of the helium atom, where the number of protons in helium atom is 2 and the number of protons and neutrons is 4. So atomic number is the quantity which is represented by number of protons in any atom, whereas atomic mass is the total of protons and neutrons in an atom. Atomic structure. Electrons, they are arranged in energy levels or shells around the nucleus of an atom. In the first shell, we can have maximum of 2 electrons. In the second shell, there can be 8 electrons. In the third shell, there can be maximum of 8 electrons. There are two ways to represent the atomic structure of an element or a compound, either through the electronic configuration or through the dot and cross diagrams. So let's talk about what electronic configuration is. With electronic configuration, elements are represented numerically by the number of electrons in their shells and number of shells. For example, in nitrogen, the atomic number of nitrogen is 7. So the electronic configuration of nitrogen is 2, 5. That is, in the first shell, we will have 2 electrons and in the second shell, we will have 5 electrons. And this is this is represented by the diagram shown in the slide. The atomic mass number of nitrogen is 14. So we can try with the electronic configuration of the following elements. For example, calcium having the atomic number 20 and atomic mass number 40. So the electronic configuration of calcium will be 2, 8, 8, 2. That is, in the first shell, it will have 2 electrons. Then the second 8 and in the third 8 and in the fourth 2. In sodium, which is having atomic number of 11, the electronic configuration will be 2, 8, 1. If we talk about oxygen, it will be 2 and 6 because the atomic number of oxygen is 8. Similarly for chlorine, as the atomic number is 17, so the electronic configuration will be 2, 8, 7. Silicon, which is having atomic number 14, will have electronic configuration of 2, 8 and 4. Boron, having the atomic number 5, will have an electronic configuration of 2, 3. Let's talk about dot and cross diagrams. With dot and cross diagrams, elements and compounds, they are represented by dots or cross to show the electrons in the different shells. For example, in case of nitrogen, by the dot and cross diagram, we can represent it as shown in the figure. Nitrogen having atomic number 7 and atomic mass number 14. So the cross, they are showing the number of electrons in different shells. Similarly, these are the dot and cross diagrams for oxygen and chlorine. So let's summarize whatever we have read. The atomic number of an atom is simply equal to the number of protons in the nucleus. The atomic mass of an atom is equal to number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus. The number of protons is equal to number of electrons in any nucleus. Electrons, they orbit the nucleus in shells, and each shell can contain a set number of electrons. Thank you for watching the presentation.